Moving to the last topic in the playlist, that is Intro to Angular Material. Since building components from scratch is time consuming, Angular team also provided us a bunch of predefined, pre-styled, accessible components. The name of that library is Angular Material. Not all projects use Angular Material. It's not a must because every company will have their own branding, and sometimes even if we customize the Angular Material theme to match the project branding, it may not be enough since the functionality cannot be customized. All we need is to issue a couple of commands and the Angular Material will be added to the project. Let's see how that is done. In terminal, all we need to do is ng add @angular/material. Select a pair of starter pre-built color palettes. We can pick and choose from any of these options. I'm going to randomly pick the second one. Let's head back to the Gemini CLI terminal to get this example. In Angular Material, all components come as individual modules. Let's copy the module, go back to IDE, import the module, register the module within the imports array, and use the component. Let me copy this component as is. Let me put it underneath the app.html. Go to the terminal where the application is up and running. Stop it and do npm run start once again. And we see that the Angular Material theme is applied to our application. We can see that the button and the background has changed. To confirm with the Gemini CLI, let's hit done. It went through the files and says, okay, Angular Material integration is next. It seems that it has not picked up the changes. So let me confirm that I have added a button in the app.html as a sample. Now it says, please let me know when you have moved the material button to the add recipe component as instructed. The problem here is I added the button to test if the Angular Material works or not. So I attached the button to app.html. But the AA tutor wants it specifically at the add recipe page and replace the existing add button, this one, with the material button. Not a problem. Let's do that. In add-recipe.ts, let's register the mat button module. Make sure that you import the mat button module itself. And once that is done, let's head back to the HTML. Remove this class button because we don't need custom styles for this. Also, in the CSS, comment all the styles related to the submit button. And let's add the two properties that Angular Material button expects, that is matte raised button with a color of primary. Heading back to the web view, we can see that the button style has changed. The moment there is something valid, we see the button styles getting applied here. Let's confirm that with the Gemini CLI. Finally, the moment everyone would have been hoping for. It says the integration was successful and we have completed all phase of the tutorial. We built a complete functional application from scratch and mastered the core concepts of modern Angular development, from signals and standalone components to services and routing. Congrats on reaching this far. Incredible achievement indeed. That brings the curtains to this playlist. In a little under 3 hours, we managed to touch upon a lot of core fundamentals and concepts. I hope you have enjoyed the playlist. I had a lot of fun creating the playlist. If you want to see more such contents, consider subscribing to the channel and share it with someone who will find it useful. Your thoughts are always welcome in the comment section. Looking forward to see you in another video. Till then, take care. Welcome to 2026. Happy New Year and bye-bye.